welcome back to my channel. So today I want to give you guys an update on the products that I received from STYLEVANA or STYLEVANA. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but anyways, they sent me a couple of products and I've already tried every single product out. And so the first one is this little lip balm right here. This one is called More Than Lip Balm. Well, as you can see, I've already used it. It has like lipstick on it, and I actually really like this lip balm. It's super moisturizing. It does feel like it has some like these little grains. It's not that noticeable. It doesn't feel bad on the lips or anything, but yeah, anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that's how it feels. Alright, the next product that I tried out was the sheet mask, and I was using this in the morning after I washed my face. Or actually, hold on, that's not how I did it. Okay, so after I wash my face, I actually use this toner right here. This is the Cane toner. I still have it in the box so I don't forget the instructions, because I can't really remember new information, so I just keep the boxes so I could read the instructions. But anyways, this is the toner right here, and like I said, I use this toner after I wash my face. I already used it like 6 times and I really like it. It didn't make my face feel weird or anything, and I really like it. It didn't irritate my skin. And after that, I actually went in with a sheet mask, the ABIB Mild Acidic pH sheet mask, and I left this on for 10 to 15 minutes. I think it says 10 to 15 minutes here. And so this is it right here, and I already used 2 of them. I only have 3 left over, and I really like this sheet mask. This sheet mask is like super juicy. It's like super moisturizing. Well, you could see it here. It has a bunch of serum, and after I removed my face mask, it felt really refreshing. I did have excess serum on my face, so I just like patted it in. Yeah, that was pretty much it with this face mask, and I really enjoyed using it. Oh, and it also smelled really good. I'm definitely going to be ordering some of those once I'm done with these. Okay, and after that, after I patted in the serum from the face mask, I went into this moisturizer. This is a Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream, Ultra Deep Technology. This one right here. And this one says that it's like ultra hydrating, so I thought it was going to be like too oily for my skin, because well, I do have oily and sensitive skin. And so I thought this was going to make my face super oily and greasy looking, but it did not, and I really enjoyed using it. It's this one right here. I really love the packaging. It looks like a little coffee cup. Anyways, I'm really happy with this product, and I really recommend it if you have super dry skin and even sensitive skin. Like, I have sensitive skin. I put it on today and my face doesn't look oily. At least I hope it doesn't. I mean, it's getting hot in here, so if my face gets oily, it's because it's hot in here. So anyways, after my moisturizer, I went in with my SPF 50, and this one is a Madagascar Centella Hyalusica Water Fit Sun Serum. At first, I wasn't sure if I wanted to try it out because, well, I have super sensitive and oily skin, like I've said before. And then usually sunscreens leave me like a white cast, and I don't really like that, but this one didn't. My skin absorbed this really good, and it didn't make me look oily. It did not irritate my skin. It actually felt really good. It didn't feel sticky at all, so I really recommend this. And I really like that it has a pump. It's really handy. Like I said, I'm wearing this today and my makeup went on flawless. So anyways, after that, well, I was wearing makeup all day long and then at night. So I went in with a Spicule Reborn Peeling Mask. Well, first I washed my face like I normally do at night, and then after that I went in with a Spicule Reborn Peeling Mask. This one right here. This is what it looks like. This one so far I've only used once. I was a little scared to use this because, I mean, it says peeling mask, and I've seen people that use like peeling masks and their face looks like they got a sunburn. So I was a little scared to use this, but this one says to only use for 10 minutes and then wash your face. And so I did that, and behind the bottle it says that you can experience a little tingle when you apply the product on your face. I didn't feel anything. I did leave it for 10 minutes, and almost at the end, like in minute 9, I did feel like a warmth, but it wasn't like burning or anything. I actually liked it. But anyways, so far I've only used this once. After I washed my face, it left my skin super smooth. Like it felt really soft, and I don't know, I feel like I haven't felt my face that soft in a long time. But yeah, anyways, I'm only going to be using this once a week. It doesn't really say how many times to use this, but I'll just do that once a week. I approve of this product. I really like this. Okay, now lastly is this Madagascar Centella Ampule product, and it is a like serum. I did use this after I used this peeling mask, and this is what it looks like. It has a dropper, and I did use like a nickel size amount of product, and then I just like rubbed it in my face, well, patted it on my face. It didn't feel sticky, it didn't irritate my skin at all. So far I like this product, and I'm really happy that I got it. I really like this. I'm going to be using this every single night. Anyways, that's all of the products that they sent me. I really enjoyed everything. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried any of these products, and if you guys want to try some of these products, you guys could use my coupon code. I'll leave it on the screen and I'll put it in the description box, and I will leave their website so you guys could see all of the Asian products that they have. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.